Hi, if you are a seller on Onectn.com, then this video is for you. In this video, we tell you how to add products on your store on Onectn.com. Open Onectn.com. Click the Seller Zone tab and then click on the Seller Login. Enter your seller account credentials, and log in into your shop dashboard. Click on the Products and Inside Product tab. Now click on Add New Product. Add the product name. You can copy from any other place and paste here. In same way, add description. Select category for your product, then select subcategory if you have, and then subcategory. To add product code SKU, click on Generate Code and select your brand name, then select the unit. And then select your country from where you ship your product and add delivery time in terms of number of days. Select your product colors. And add any other attributes of your product variants. Now add selling price per unit. Note, selling price must be lowest price of all tiers. And then add purchase price. Note, price and any type of cost must be inserted in US dollars.
You can add tax and discount here. Insert available quantity of each variant.
Add total quantity for your product. Now add minimum order quantity. Add shipping charges per unit. You can multiply your shipping charges with ordered quantity by enabling shipping cost multiply with quantity button. Now move towards tier quantity and tier prices. Click on the Add tab to insert new tiers. Tier quantity will start from the quantity inserted in the tier to the quantity of next tier. Insert product price per unit for that tier.
Insert shipping prices for each tier. Add meta title and meta description. Now add meta image. Add a video link of product in embed format. Upload multiples images of the product to show the product from different angle. Then add a thumbnail image. Click on the Submit button and then a pop-up will display Are you sure? Then click on Yes. Your product is uploaded now. You can see it in your products with status New Request. After Onectn admin approval, its status will change to Approved. Your product will be displayed on Onectn.com front end after as it approved. Thanks for watching.